In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money on PayPal for free. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone or heading to the PayPal website in your browser. Log into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're on a secure connection and avoid sharing any personal login details with anyone. Once you're in, look for the Send and Request option. This is the section where you can move money to people you know. Tap or click it to begin. Now enter the recipient's details. You can use their email address, phone number, or name. Take a moment to double check the spelling and numbers so the money goes to the right person. If you're paying someone new, it's a good idea to confirm their details directly with them before proceeding. Next, type in the amount you want to send. You'll see the currency displayed on the screen. Make sure it's set to what you expect and that the number is correct before moving forward. When PayPal prompts you to choose a payment type, select sending to a friend, sometimes labeled friends and family. This is essential for avoiding fees when you're sending money to people you know and trust. Remember, this option is not for purchases or business payments. You'll now be asked to pick your funding source. To keep this transfer free, choose your PayPal balance or a linked bank account. Using a credit or debit card usually adds a fee, and fees may also apply for international transfers depending on the currency and location. If your goal is zero fees, avoid cards here. Before you send, review everything carefully. Look over the recipient information, the amount, the payment type, and the funding source. PayPal will show a summary that includes any fees. If you see a fee listed, go back and confirm that you selected friends and family and that you're using your PayPal balance or a linked bank account. If everything looks good and there are no fees shown, tap or click Send to complete the transaction. You'll get a confirmation on screen and the recipient will be notified. Transfers to friends and family from your balance or bank are typically quick. A couple of important reminders as you use this. Sending money for free applies only when you pay with your PayPal balance or a linked bank account. And when you choose the friends and family option, do not select goods and services as that option includes fees and is meant for purchases. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.